Hello friends, welcome back to BNF People and BNF Analytics. Now, today we are going to look into the part of Power BI which is your data. How to insert the data, how to manage the data, and how we can connect the data with multiple data sources. Okay. So this is the session in which you will learn the different data types. Okay. This different data types will help you to connect your data with Power BI. So this session will be of 30 minutes and you will learn the different data types available in Power BI. Okay. So chat box is open. You can post your queries in it. Okay. So if you are ready, in chat box or in comment box type yes. Okay. Thank you for the starting, and once again welcome to Power BI session for data sources. So in this particular session we will see the part that is get data. I will go through multiple data sources, how to connect with it, and what are the challenges you will face during connecting your different data types. Okay, so let's get into it. So when you open your Power BI, you will see the home tab. From the home tab, you can go through this part, that is get data. Okay, so when you click on it and go to more option. Okay, so from this more option you will see the multiple data types that are available in Power BI. So when you click on all, you will see all the different data types. Okay, today we will do one more exercise, that if you want to connect multiple files that are of similar data, how to connect that particular folder also. When we go to the file section, these are the different categories of the data types. Okay, so file, database, Microsoft Fabric, Power Platform, Azure, online services, and other. Let's explore these data types. From the file section, you can connect your Excel workbooks, you can connect your text and CSV files, XML, JSON files, connecting folder also. Okay, PDF and other data types. What is database then? From database, you can go through these different database that are available in Power BI. Okay, what is database? Database is like database management system that you have. Okay, just like SQL servers. Okay, so you can connect with that. SQL server, your MySQL database, PostSQL server, your SAP also, SAP HANA and SAP Business Application Services or servers are available. You can connect Google BigQuery also. Okay, and Snowflake and a lot like Amazon also you can connect with it, right? And a lot more. Fine. So Microsoft Fabric, this is the part of databases from where you can connect the live data streamings. These are the sources that are available with Microsoft where you create your data pipelines also. Okay, so whenever you are with your data pipelines, it means that you already created your data pipelines over here, like the servers. These are the, you can see, the structured pipelines that you create with Power BI services, that is Power BI Online. Okay. Second, Power Platforms. These are the databases specifically for Power BI platforms. From the services, if you created some data flow, okay, you can connect those data flow directly from here. Next is Azure. As you all know, Azure is the platform, that is the cloud platform with Microsoft. So it gives you a lot of options that are available within Azure to connect with Power BI. Okay, online services. So a lot of different analytical tools are available that are collecting the data and giving you a planning, or you can say you are structuring your projects, you are designing your projects, you are simulating your projects or the databases, just like Google Analytics. Okay, there you have a lot of informations about your web, about your services, so you can connect those services also with Power BI, right? So you can see a lot of different online services are available that you can directly connect with Power BI to fetch the data available on that platforms. In other, you can see the web, PowerPoint list, Microsoft Exchange, Spark, R, Python, and a lot more, so that you can connect your APIs also within it. Okay, so these are the data sources that are available within Power BI. We will explore some of them, like Google Sheets also we can connect, right? So let's see what are the different data sources that we are going to connect with today. One, the data files are also available with you. In the link, in the description link, you have some files, or you will find the link for the data set. That is, a GitHub link is provided in the description from where you can download the data from the GitHub profile. Okay, so we will connect the workbook, we will connect CSV, we will connect a sample JSON file. Okay, and from the database we will connect MySQL database over here, right? And from the other platforms we will connect a web. Okay, so one of them is OData feed, that is also we are going to connect. Okay, so if you have any queries, please drop in chat box or in comment box. I will take care of your queries also over here, right? So let's begin with the first one, that is the Excel workbook. Okay, how the interface looks like, how to use these particular services also, how it looks like when you are connecting the, you can see whenever you are connecting the Excel file, how it looks like. Okay, so select workbook, connect with it, it will move you to the particular, or you can move to the particular folder where your files are saved. Okay, so let's get over here. This is the file in the Excel format that is available. I will select it, click on open. Now you can see Power BI will extract that data. It will, as you all know, in Excel file maybe more than one tab is available, right? So in those one or more tabs you have multiple tables available. So that's why whenever you are importing Excel file, it gives you the option to select those tabs. So here just one file is available. I'm selecting it. It will show you the preview of the file also, or the table that you have in Excel. Just click on load. And we will wait for few seconds so that the data will be uploaded in it. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to click on apply changes or discard changes. Automatically Power BI will read the file and upload it over here. Okay. Now you can see that the file is get uploaded here, and in the right side you can see in the data tab your file is available, your table is available, and the metadata, that is the different names of your columns, that are the fields available in the table, are seen. If you want to preview it, left side table view, if you will click on table view, your table also will be visible over here. What is the data available in this table? It will be viewed from here, right? Now let's get back. Second thing, that is CSV. Go back to get data, to more. Now from the file section or from the all section also, you can select the CSV. Okay, click on CSV and click on connect. Here we have the superstore. Okay, on the superstore you can click on this superstore and click on open. When you click on open, now you can see what is the interface a Excel file and a CSV file looks like. Because here in CSV, remember, just one table can be available in it. Okay, that's what the reason, that it will just open the preview of your data, right? Then click on load. In upcoming sessions we will also see the transform option. When we load a file, what is that transform option is all about, right? Similarly, you can see the data available in the CSV file from the table view right here, right, in this way. Fine. Now let's move on to the next one. From the more option, into the more option, you have in files, you have JSON. Okay, select the JSON file, click on connect. It will move on to the data. So here some JSON files are available. I will also share the JSON files on the Git link. You can go through that one also. Okay, so select, I am selecting a sample data here, like sample2. Click on open. When you open a JSON file, that file will open in a transform data, that is Power Query Editor. Okay, because it is not in a proper format that is required by us. Okay, so here you can see that this file is already in the format. We don't want to expand it, right? Already in the format, right? So what you need to do, you just need to say close and apply. Okay, so the data will be now available over here as a sample 2, like this, right? Let's see one more example of a JSON file. Select JSON, connect. Let's say having this one, or have, just take this example first. let it open in Power Query Editor. Right? So here the data file is also in the format. Right? Close. If some of the data is not in a proper format, what we need to do? Go to the more, JSON, connect, say from new folder I am selecting some of the file here. It will again open in Power Query Editor. Here you can see that 3 of the data are available and those are in the form of list, right? So what we need to do? First of all, we need to change it, right? So click on it, expand as a new row. Fine. Again, click on it and you can see a lot of information available in it. Click on more data. So all the column names will be appear to you. Click on OK. Now you can see it has the data in your records. So until you have these two-way arrow available in your data, expand it so that you will get the values available inside that particular data, right? So this is how you are getting the data. You can expand these two also in a similar way. After expanding, click on close and apply. In upcoming sessions, we will see the JSON format also, so that you will understand how the format of the JSON file is and why is it required to expand the things like this. Okay. Now, next is, let's move on and see in other. For the web, click on connect. It will ask you a URL. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to one page. Let's have one URL. So let's have Wikipedia. Okay, search Wikipedia. Move on to Wikipedia and search like anything, like FIFA World Cup. So I will copy this particular URL. Okay, and you can see that we have many tables in this particular page. So move on to Power BI again, copy this URL over here and click on OK and wait, so that Power BI can extract that data in the form of tables in Power BI and gives you the recommendations that these are the different files that are available to you. Okay, it is just extracting those tables for you, and now you can see the different files that are available in front of you, right? So now check FIFA World Cup. It will show you the preview. Attendance. So yes, looks like some data available in it. Results or teams reach to top 4. So let's have the result. 2 files we are just extracting. Click on load. So just wait for the few seconds and it will extract the tables in the form of Power BI data tables. Okay, and it will also make the tables compatible with your Power BI platform, right? So now check the attendance and the results. Both the things are available here, right? So you can check what is inside the table attendance. Here first row seems something like that. In results, column 1, column 2, column 3 like this. So this particular data needs to be clean, because in results you can see the column names are not available. Those are available in first row, right? So we will see how to clean this data in data cleaning part. Fine. So that's the other process. Now let's get to more option. And for your practice purpose, let's see one more data type that is available, that is OData feed. Okay, when I click on OData feed, it also asks me for an URL. Let's see what is OData feed. So this is odata.org. This is the one site that's provide you an API for extracting the data. Okay, go to tools. There we have XOData available. Okay, you can copy that particular URL also. So stay here with XOData one online demo. I will select the data northern wind. Okay, so data explorer, from here let's select one of the data. I will select this URL, okay, from where I can extract this particular table. So in URL, go over here, but in this case it will just extract the category table. So I will remove up to this point. Click on OK. Now let's see what are the tables it will extract for us. So many tables are available over there. If you will check on OData field, you can see this is the category, right? If you will go to the diagram, you can see shipper, suppliers, alphabetical list, category sales, current product list, customer, product orders, customers category. All these tables are extracted by Power BI over here, right? So you can extract this data, you can work with this data, you can practice with it, you can create your own projects also with this particular data, right? One more thing I will let you know. Let category, customers, employees, three tables, or say order details I am extracting also. Click on load. Again we will wait for a few seconds so that this data also will be extracted. You can see the category table over here, right? Now the results, category we extracted, customers we extracted, employees we extracted, order details we extracted, right? So multiple things or multiple tables are extracted from there. You can see that if you will use multiple resources, then even Power BI extract all the tables from the multiple sources. Currently what is going on, I just trying to tell you that if you will connect, or if you have multiple sources from where you want to connect your data on Power BI, you can easily connect with that, right? Just one more example we will take, that is the SQL Server. Before getting SQL Server, let me tell you, whenever you are going to connect with these particular sources, like from web, from OData feed, what first window you will see? If I will go to over here, options and settings, data source settings. So here I will see the particular option, that is global permissions. So when you connect with Wikipedia, you will see edit. You will see this window in front of you that is asking you the access permissions. So if you are employee or having the access on Wikipedia, then you can put your Windows login ID, basic user ID name. If you have the web API with you, you can connect with that particular key. Organizational website, if you are connecting, you can put your sign in also over here. If you don't have anything and the website permits you for data scraping, you can directly go for the anonymous and you can just save that one, right? So in this way, every time when you will connect to a new data source, okay, except the files that are available on your system, right, it will ask you for the authentications. If you don't have any authentications and the web is open to extract the data, just select the anonymous in that case. Okay, now I will just show you one more, that is connecting with the MySQL. Okay, so I will go to database. In next session we will learn the complete process to connect same tables if those are available in a folder. Okay, so here database, I will go to MySQL and click on connect. Let's see what it asks. It asks me the server and the database. Okay, so let me go to MySQL, search MySQL, open it. Let MySQL get open. This is MySQL. Okay, and here I am having two servers connected over here, and I will connect the database, that is world database, that is by default data available in SQL also. So what I need two things, the server and the database. Okay, so what is server name? Go to the server, you can check the server status also, right? What is the server status, what is the server name, and all those things. One more, from the home tab, if you will go over here, right click and say edit the connection. Okay, edit the connection, you will find the local host, that is the host name of your server. Okay, go over here, paste this name and the database that I need. So close it, go back over here, WORLD. This is the database name that I have. So I will say WORLD world. Click on OK. If while connecting to MySQL, it is showing you that some add-ons are required, some connectors are required, then you have to download those connectors from MySQL. Okay, so we will also see that part, right? The basic problem that you face while connecting with the SQLs. So those connectors are required first. Once you have those connectors, it will be easily connecting to the SQLs. Okay, let's select all of these. Click on load. Now you can see those files are also extracted by Power BI. So if I will check, these are the files that are available and extracted from SQL, right? So these are the few of the data types that we discussed today. If any of the data type that you want to connect and facing problem, let me know in chat box. I will create a small video for you, or I will connect with you personally. Okay, DM me, or in chat box you can give me your email IDs. I will connect with you, or you can mail me also. Okay, so be connected for the next session, and as per your requirements, as per your recommendations, I will create the specific sessions for your doubts also. I will be live to clear your doubts. Okay, if you have any, you are just feel free to drop comment. I will take care of each and every doubt. Okay, so waiting for your comments, waiting your practices. Happy learnings. Thank you so much for attending today's session. Thank you all of you, and don't forget to subscribe, because after subscribing only you are able to do the chats. Okay, and remember to click on the bell icon so that the next session notification will be with you. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you all of you.